Guys, you have to see this. The new features on this phone are absolutely incredible.
What if I told you there is a way to use SuperGrok without paying hundreds of dollars for a full year? Yes, it sounds fake, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys the legitimate methods that can help you get SuperGrok access for free. No hacks, no crack app, no risky websites that can get your account banned. So let's get started. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just watching my YouTube channel for the first time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notifications to get notified each time I publish new content. And also, if you love AI tools and want to save money, you are actually in the right place. So for today, I will show you the best legitimate ways to access SuperGrok for free, and I'm actually showing you guys two methods, two ways on how to get SuperGrok for free. For the purpose of those that don't know how to, for those that don't know what is SuperGrok is. SuperGrok is a premium version of Grok AI that is powered by X. So with the SuperGrok, you can access faster response, more powerful AI models, higher usage limits, and better reasoning. So without much ado, let's go into the details. So the first step is going to X, which is known as Twitter, which is also known as twitter.com, but it is now called X now. So for you to access Grok, you need to come to Twitter to create an account. You can create an account and then subscribe to the premium version to access Grok here. So if you go to more here, you click on premium, you can actually pay for the 1 month subscription here. As you can see from my own end here, I have to pay 7,600 to get verified check mark, enhanced Grok access. This is the main aim of subscribing to this particular package. So the first step is to subscribe to X Premium so that you can get access to Grok AI for free. And the second method is going to this website. As you can see, designed with Grok AI. The website is creativefabrica.com. You can actually have access to Grok AI here and some other AI models here. So let me show you guys how to do that. Generate without limit, add 700,000 coins instantly, and they actually have a free trial. So on this my particular account, I have 582,000 credits. But let me show you guys how I got this account for free and how I got access to this Grok for free. Okay, so let me try. Welcome back again. You can access all tools on this website for free for a whole year. Yes, as you can see, try for free now for $0. You can actually click here or click this free trial here, but for me, I'll click this first option. Then after clicking that option, they will take you to a page where they will ask you to create an account. So let's wait and verify this. So you click on verify you are a woman, then it will automatically redirect you to the payment page. So what you need to do first is to create an account. So let me pause this video and create an account. Okay guys, I'm done creating my account. The next thing is to fill this with your first name, your last name, and your country. And after that, the next thing is to go to this payment method. If you do want to use your personal card, because I know some people can forget that they have their card attached to a website where they activate free trial, join my Telegram channel. The link will be dropped in the description of this video or in the comments. I will show you guys how to go through this payment method. So once again, I will pause this video and activate this free trial. If you're interested on how I go through this payment method, join my Telegram channel. Link in the description or in the comments. Okay guys, I'm done adding my credit card and I actually activate this website. As you can see, welcome to Studio AI. Get started, claim your coin. So the next thing is to click on claim your coins. So once you claim your coin, it will give you a free credit to use the website. So as you can see, some additional steps are needed, but you don't need this because they actually ask you to pay. You click on cancel button, then they take you to the studio directly. So now you can access Grok for free. You can design with Grok. You can use Nano Banana too. You can use sedans. You can use a lot of features here. As you can see, you can generate AI image, studio ads, AI photo style, mockup generator, image vector, subtitle generation, image upscaler, background remover, and a lot of stuff on this particular website. So it is actually not for Grok alone. You even have AI speech generator here. You have AI watermark remover. So let's go to the Grok AI part, because that's why we are here. So you click on create with Grok here. So for example, if you want to create an image, just input your prompt here. If you have a reference image, you can add your reference image here. And you can actually come to this part here. You click on Grok. If you want your model to be Grok, you can use this one. If you want this, just know that they will charge 1,650 credit from this 30,000 credits here. You can use Nano Banana. You can use Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and GPT image. So if you want to generate video, just click on AI video generator here. So once you click on it, you can add your image reference here. You can actually choose your character too. You can check the community aspects and choose from one character here. And if you come to this part, you can change your model to Build 3, Grok Imagine, Sedans, Kling, Runaway Gen, and other models like that. And you can come here again to change your aspect ratio to maybe ultra wide, cinematic, classic, Instagram, portrait, and the rest. After that, you can come here to change your resolution, maybe to 720p or 1080p or 4K, and you can change your video duration here. So I don't have any prompts to generate image now or any video, so I'll pause this again and look for a prompt to generate image so that you guys can see how it works. Okay guys, I have one prompt now, so let me try it. I'll paste my prompt here, then change the time to, let's say, 5 seconds, and change this to ultra wide. Then I'll click on generate. For this particular video, they will deduct 13.1k credit. Well, I know the credit we have here is very low, but with the help of the method I'll show you on the Telegram channel, you'll be able to use as much as possible credit as you like. Just join the Telegram channel in the comment section or in the description of this video. So I'll go on and click on generate now. So here's our video. It is currently loading. Let's wait for the generation to complete. Okay guys, so this is my prompt and here is the output here. So let me play it for you guys to hear.
Guys, you have to see this. The new features on this phone are absolutely incredible. Guys, you have to see this. The new features on this phone are absolutely incredible.
So guys, as you can see, the account is actually working perfectly. So if you want to use it, it is very easy to access. You can get Grok Premium through X, as I have said earlier, and you can also use this website. So you don't have to pay much to get Grok AI, or you don't even have to pay at all, because this is actually a legal method to access Grok Premium for free. SuperGrok is one of the most exciting AI tools available today, and if you can actually access it through these two methods, it will be a great way to experience the premium features while you are saving your money. And remember, use the official website, that is creativefabrica.com, or the X website. And also stay informed about new promotions. You can stay active on X to get updates on how to get stuff like this for free. So lastly guys, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI tools, tech tips, and money saving guide. And let me know in the comment section which account you need me to talk on. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.